Learn the essential techniques of factoring algebraic expressions. Factoring breaks down complex expressions into simpler parts, like unpacking a mathematical puzzle. Let's start by understanding what factoring means. Factoring is essentially the reverse of expanding expressions. We break expressions down into their building blocks. When we expand, we multiply out brackets. For example, x plus 3 times x plus 2 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. Factoring reverses this process. We start with x squared plus 5x plus 6 and break it into x plus 3 times x plus 2. Here's the relationship. Expanding and factoring are inverse operations, like addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. The simplest type of factoring is pulling out the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest factor that divides all terms in the expression. For example, 6x squared plus 9x. Both terms share 3x as a common factor, so we factor out 3x to get 3x times 2x plus 3. Here we see three terms, 12x cubed, 18x squared, and 24x. They all share 6x as their greatest common factor. So we factor out 6x to get 6x times the quantity 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now let's tackle factoring trinomials, expressions with three terms. When factoring trinomials like x squared plus b, x plus c, we need to find two special numbers. These two numbers must multiply to give us c and add to give us b. Let's factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. We need two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. That's 3 and 4. 3 times 4 equals 12, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. So x squared plus 7, x plus 12 factors to x plus 3 times x plus 4. We can verify this by expanding it back out. Expanding gives us x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12, which simplifies to x squared plus 7x plus 12. Perfect! Another important pattern is the difference of squares. The difference of squares formula states that a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Visually, this represents taking a large square and removing a smaller square, which creates a shape we can factor. For example, x squared minus 25 is x squared minus 5 squared, which factors to x plus 5 times x minus 5. Another example, 9x squared minus 16 is 3x squared minus 4 squared, giving us 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 4. For expressions with four terms, we can use factoring by grouping. The strategy is to group terms in pairs and factor out common factors from each pair. Let's factor x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. First, we group x cubed plus 3x squared in one pair and 2x plus 6 in another. Factor each group. From the first pair, we get x squared times x plus 3. From the second, we get 2 times x plus 3. Notice both terms contain x plus 3, so we factor that out to get x plus 3 times x squared plus 2. Both groups share the common factor x plus 3, which we can then factor out completely. Let's summarize the key factoring techniques we've covered. Always start by looking for the greatest common factor and pulling it out. For trinomials, find two numbers that multiply to the constant and add to the middle coefficient. Recognize the difference of squares pattern, a squared minus b squared factors to a plus b times a minus b. Use grouping for expressions with four terms by pairing and factoring systematically. Factoring is a fundamental skill that connects different areas of algebra and makes solving equations much easier.